What's it, day 3? Day 3 in Tulum? Let's get it.
This is your moment, your only moment, what are you gonna do in that moment when you're in the moment? No, 'cause we only get this one life to live, so true. To live it up for me. Oh, gimme, 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 gimme.
Y'all, the heat in here is unreal. It's just like a whole sauna outside. FYI, we pack a bunch of nice ass outfits that you're not gonna wear. Jesse and I probably packed not even half of what we threw on. We're on our way to the next destination. You'll see when we get there.
Smart Claire, high fashion, belt buckle, store handles, gold plated, ball man, rich denim, out Vegas, French Riviera, baby girl, let's take a trip. On a trip, go to Casa Malca to catch a flick. Baby, listen.
So there's definitely a lot of tourist areas here in Tulum. But the best part about where Jesse and I stay is that we get to drive through like Tulum for real. Like really get to see some of their real living. Yes, like we're definitely in the jungle. So we've been able to get a full package for sure. That's good. I didn't put you on camera. Jesse was explaining our experience here. Jesse, what did you say, Jesse?
It's kind of hard, like, but it's a dope experience to learn, like, your own way. Like, we rented a car, we're in an Airbnb, so we have nobody telling us how to get places, just different little things that you would know if you stayed on a resort or had, like, a taxi driver.
Right. I agree. We definitely are figuring out on our own. And we're scared of the taxi drivers.
Yeah.
They have a mask?
I got one.
Okay.
Great, I got sand all in my flops. Hola. It's beautiful.
Go
somewhere else, yeah. So we just got turned down. Sad moment, but we wanted to get a picture with that call that you see all over Tulum's hashtag. But you have to actually be a resident of this hotel to actually get a picture with it, or to see the wedding dress. What else? Different little monuments you probably see when you see folks visiting Tulum. So if you do want to see those things, you guys got to make sure you guys are staying at this hotel. I'll tag it and add it in the information section. But yeah, we're not about to buy a night there just to get it. We're so bummed, y'all.
Pissed.
Like, we really wanted to go. What is that place called again? Casa, whatever. Like, we really wanted to go in there and get like dope ass pictures. Like, this was gonna be a vibe. Next to the call, she was like, you know, the little mouse. I'm like, the call? Like, you're selling this place. I don't even know what the fuck you're talking about. Now we're out here hot as hell trying to figure out what we want to do next, because we're not ready for like nature right now. We wanted to do something artsy and different, and then climb trees later. Like, that was the plan. It's okay. When we come back, we're just going to stay there. All right, so we're chancing it. We're going to go back in there and have lunch. The thing about it is you have to pay $100 just to have lunch inside there. But the thing about it is we're walking down with no destination, and we're probably going to spend $100, or if not $100, half of $100 just to eat somewhere on this trip anyway. So we might as well chance it. There might be a person blocking the entry. We could be like, hey, I got 200 pesos for you, my man. Bien, mucho grande, dinero. He's gonna be like, CC. Come this way. Watch. This is the pool. This looks fire. Isn't there 2 restaurants? Are you going to the expo? Are you going to the expo? I don't know. That's the restaurant out there?
Yes, we have another restaurant at the beach area, the beach club, the best.
Is it more international?
More international.
Is it more
More American.
American food or?
This is the national restaurant. Yes,
This
the main.
one is?
Yes, this one is. And the other one is Israel. That is on the beach area.
You want to go look at it?
And if you like to shake
You
it
said
out on
the
the
same
beach,
more like
you can
Let's just go look at it
Yes.
for, so we can see where everything is.
Okay, we're just gonna.
We're just
see.
gonna look. Okay. That shit, we probably don't have no access to it. Well, they got that shit blocked off. That was. This is nice. Okay, well, these are cute resorts. Y'all, we can't even find where the shit is. They're not playing with us. You're not seeing our call. Our wedding dresses, our floating furniture. It is.
So, you wanna go?
Look at this. Is this the restaurant? I don't know. Do you work here? Oh, he's all staring at us. Excuse me. Excuse me. You work here? No. Yes, she does. Those guys can't help us. They know we're on it. Yep. Swear. Great, we were unfucking successful. We're just gonna go in here and hope the menu's alright. So the decor in this place is pretty fancy. Looking like we belong in the game, what's that game called? Clue. We are having no luck sneaking in this fucking hotel. The guy was like, no.
They all work together, so they're putting everybody deep.
And they know we're trying to get in here.
Just from our outfits, everybody else is playing.
And we're like 2 seconds away from buying a room just for the night. We don't think that's worth it. So we're just going to book another trip to Tulum soon, and we're going to stay here. So book Aliya Ray's and book St. Taylor. So the guests are complaining because a lot of people are coming here to take pictures.
And it's not. I cannot say this, but it's because one of the visiting people just pushed the guest wife to take one picture.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why that guest making a complaint, and then the problem was because it was from one of the owner from one of the biggest hotels on the
See, look.
on the on
And
the
now you got her
campus.
banned out.
That was right now the fake close for visiting people. Malca Caroline or
I
Caroline
tried
Casa
to
Malca.
do that on here.
Let me just get the name for an appointment. That's why you can go and send a message to her, and then she tell you which day or whatever when you make the
So
appointment.
we won't be able to do it today.
No,
Dang.
yeah.
And more details as you guys just see on why you actually cannot come in here and take pictures unless you stay here. People need to learn how to be patient, have manners, because you fuck it up for people like us.
Yeah, my coworker just write this for me. So if that is the name, it's Caroline with the.
Yeah,
with
Carolina
it,
Casa Malca.
Yeah, Casa
Is she
Malca.
still here?
Yeah, she's still working here. Yeah,
All
Is
right.
she here today?
I think so. I think it's her office. I think.
Oh,
Want to email her?
yeah. Do you want to?
Yep.
I bet you look harder over there at the beach in the back.
Ready to fall with these damn shoes. This is so nice. That was her, not me. So we were unsuccessful, but now we know what to do, and now you guys know what to do. If you're looking to see those particular things here in Tulum, you have to stay there until further notice because they might make some changes. But I do want to give some shout outs to some folks from Pittsburgh on my outfit. My dress is from Shop to Toy. I'll make sure that I add her in all of the detail sections. It's my homegirl Yadis, and she also about to open her new boutique on Carson Street. Then, of course, the Prada bag and the Gucci Jellies, Farfetch. Where'd I get this from? Nordstrom's. And these bad boys here, which I just completely, let me do this again. And these bad boys here you have already seen on my previous clothing haul for my girl, Nika, shaded by the queen. Cop up, guys. And stay tuned for our last evening here in Tulum.